Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to install brother DCP-B7535DW printer drivers in your PC or laptop. Okay, let's start the video. First open your browser. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Hit bell icon. Okay, type here your printer model number. Brother DCP-B7535DW drivers. Okay, click on brother website link. Okay, website is open. You see on screen Windows 10 64-bit my operating system. Click on OK. Full software package drivers. I am selecting drivers. Okay, printer drivers and scanner drivers. Click on OK. See here your printer model number and description here. Okay, scroll down, agree to download. Okay, download is started. You see on top Chrome browser download is progress. Okay, downloading is complete. Open folder, double click on run. Okay, extract complete. Click OK. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Hit bell icon. Okay, you see drivers is extracted. Copy this driver location address, this PC. Click on manage. Okay, please wait. Manage is open. Device manager. You see here brother DCP B7535DW series. Update drivers. Browse my computer. Paste here your address URL. Okay, installing drivers. Please wait. Driver installation is complete. Click on close. Open run command and go to control panel. Type control panel. Okay, view device and printers. You see, right click, printer properties, print test page. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Hit bell icon. Printer driver is successfully installed. Thank you for watching me.